I'm gonna get dressed. Bathrooms. And pee. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, I just put leggings and sweatshirt on because we're gonna go on a boat later. I'm gonna wash my face and then when I get back to the car, I put some mascara on, I think. I'm tired. I fell asleep so early last night though. As soon as I hit the pillow. Apparently, I need to start coming back to the ferry tonight because I have to be at the ferry for like 8 or 9 a.m. and it's like 4 hours away. So that's not fun. Just now that there's light, I can show you. This is like the campground. There's like walking trails everywhere too. It looks so bad. She got her cereal. Oh, I thought the whole bag dumped. It didn't.
So did I.
Oh.
And this was a lot in this
I got my cereal in my cup.
We're gonna have trouble. Let's see this come very right.
This is like where you go for the boat tours. It's pouring, so I think they're questioning if we're even going. I really hope that the boat goes through. Like, the ferries or whatever, the boat tours for the day are canceled for the whole day. We waited like an hour, over an hour we waited. Okay. Oh, that wasn't so pretty. Part of what we were supposed to see.
That was really fun. I went to. So I was like, I might as well.
Yeah.
Just I don't know, maybe I was looking for this Friday. Whatever, it doesn't matter.
Oh, look at the mountains.
Yes, that is what day it was, Friday.
Oh, they're really pretty to see. We're just stopping here.
I'm gonna move Snoop now.
How are you?
Yep.
Look at our Navy babies.
I love senior sex time. I might buy it once it runs out.
Do it. I could have, but it was offered, but I just didn't. I don't use it.
But that's how it was in the old car. I used it a couple times.
What the fuck?
I'll have to start using it in Cape Breton and see if it's worth it. Because there's spots like, if there's not signal, then it's not worth it.
Yeah. That's a butterfly emporium. In, where are we at? Somewhere in Newfoundland. I don't know. Oh! Look, look. They're like following each other. Oh, I didn't even see that one over there. So pretty. Whoa. Cool. Millipede. What? That thing. So this is the Thorny Devil, and there's one right there. There's one right there.
4, 5, 6. There's at least 6 in there.
What? I am terrified.
Stop, look at the stops.
I am terrified of anything upstairs.
Caution bees on highway. I'm dead.
look so harmless. They are harmless, except for the fact that if they sting you, they're not harmless. They're so tiny.
They're so cute.
They're the worker bees. I love the movie Bee.
We're through.
No.
Wait by the door.
There are lot of slaughters in tanks.
Look at wet.
Oh my god. Do you see that thing over there?
Where?
Look at the web. True?
That is so big. Imagine. Okay, so we just got to, what's this campground called again? It's just outside Corner Brook.
Prince Edward.
Okay, it's so cute though, and like it's so much better than our other campsite. Like it's so much more like woodsy. So we backed our cars in. My camera died when I was trying to do this last time. We're gonna go out to eat soon, and we're gonna go look at Captain Cook's Lookout. Get some suggestions from a girl that used to live where I live, but she lives here now. And we're gonna go eat at Park West, I think it's called. It looked good. Good recommendations. But this campground is so much nicer than like the other one we went to. There's like and it's not raining right now. Let's just like knock on wood that literally doesn't start pouring. And there's little trails back here. Pretty sure that's a river or rocks. I can't tell where I'm standing. Oh, it is a river or lake. But yeah, I think this is where I'd come to again if I come back. But yeah, so cute. Cutesy. Cutesy. We can use that to sit on too. What? So wait, are we changing or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're changing. Oh, this is the sweater I got at the boat tour that we didn't get to do because it was canceled. But I like the sweater. I'll just have to go back. You know? Yeah. Okay. Gonna get ready.
They say Pixar didn't happen, but it actually didn't happen.
It actually didn't happen. So.
Really, really small town.
Yeah.
That's like if you live in a small town in Cape Breton, you don't just always move to Halifax.
Yeah. So we're at Captain Cook's Lookoff. What? This is like part of the view, which is not anything that's probably gonna be like that view over there. And imagine this on a nice day. So I would so move to Corner Brook. I would so move to Corner Brook. This is insane.
I actually don't think I'm gonna
This is literally insane. Literally, I'm in love. She's blocking me. The rocks are shaped like a little boat. I want to go further, but I want to go eat.
Yeah.
Like. This literally looks so good.
Tomato milky.
And I got some fries and some margarita pizza. I'm gonna move to Corner Brook. This is such a cute little town. Okay, so I'm back where we started the other day. Let's do this. What?
I'm so
This actually, when I first toured like this part of Corner Brook, I was like, it's okay. Like it's like kind of decent. But then where we went today, like everywhere else in this little town, I would so live here. Anyways, the Corner Brook signs are right there. It's literally 6:15, 6:20. I have to go to the ferry. I set my alarm for 5, like hoping I'd get up then, but I knew that like at the latest I had to leave by 6:30, and I'm leaving at like 6:23. My mascara is underneath my eyes. I passed it last night so easily. So this is the Newfoundland ferry terminal side. I'm parked up there. I got changed at Tim Hortons, but now I'm gonna go wash my face in here. Okay, so going back to the ferries to the like Nova Scotia ferry is a little different. Like, you had to go through like this building. Also, the guy that was really cute. We have the new accent, but anyways, I got a little nervous. Good thing I didn't have to talk to him. We're on a different ferry this time, I guess. Different ferry, and I'm on the top deck, so I'm gonna be able to see my car when I'm on the actual ship, I guess. I'm gonna go check out Cafe. I'm actually dead right now. Watch.
Going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go